Look at you, poor thing. You ready to take a bath? Hey guys, I'm about to not clean, bathe my baby Gaia, my dog. I'm gonna show you how she looks. She looks a mess. I put her outside, fell asleep on the couch, and she got in the dirt because it rained yesterday. Got my little apron on. Don't ask how I got this apron. Mind your business. Look at you, poor thing. You ready to take a bath? You ready to take a bath, Gaia? Then I need to clean out her cage. Let's take a bath. Let's go take a bath. Come on. Oh yeah, I got my rain boots and my apron on because she's gonna fling water everywhere. Let's go take a bath. This is Gaia before. She looks so unhappy. This is not good being dirty. Look at that water. And we all done. The tub is clean. And she has attitude with me. She loves getting bathed, don't get me wrong, but afterwards she wanna like get out and play. And she's so spoiled, like she can get out the tub, but she wait for me to get her out. Anyway, Gaia. She's so over me. She was like, I'm done with this. Let's hurry up. Okay. All right, guys. All right, and I cleaned her board that she sleep on in her crate. So now she's clean, this clean. Now I could go ahead and mop the floors. That took a lot out of me. I think I'm gonna need a break, but. Okay, so like I said, I took a break. After my break, I mopped my bathroom because we have three bedrooms. So I mopped the bedrooms, 2 baths. I mopped the 2 baths. Now I'm cleaning up the living room and the dining area, kitchen, and the foyer for like going into the house. I'm cleaning that area up, just dusting away, siffering everything, because you know it's springtime, and just trying to make sure wash dishes, just trying to do everything. She's kind of like hanging out. I put some coconut oil on her and stuff, and she's just chilling out. She kind of a little cold, but she's just drying off. So it is a new moon starting today, and just trying to clean up shit. Excuse my language. So it's a new moon. I'm setting my intentions today, making sure I'm doing my cleaning. Yeah, you can't really tell that it's dirty, the mop over there, but the floor is filthy, disgusting. Oh, hello. I'm watching the Proud Family movie. Me and Gaia are pooped. She got clean. She a little cold, but I'm tired. Almost done. I finished mopping, and thank goodness, because I'm tired. So I'm just letting that dry up. I'm tired. Looks so much better. So much glossy now. I don't know if y'all could see, it's probably like a glare, but over here looks good by her cage. It was disgusting before. She's such a cutie pie. She's like a little baby mixed with a lion, mixed with a bear. I love you. Aww. She loves me too. I also finished my calendar. I'm not trying to show too much of it because it got my schedule on there. But, yeah, I finished the calendar as well, guys. Right, I finished the workout and I'm tired. I got my protein shake. I'm gonna put what I use below or beside me, whatever. And yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and take a shower and stuff and do all that good stuff.